Bogalusa Strong has truly transformed this community. Everyone has come together and working together to make policy, systems, and environmental changes here in Bogalusa.
Through Bogalusa Strong, it's made us truly stronger through just even knowing who does what in the community.
The impact that Bogalusa Strong Healthy Community Coalition has had in this community is not only the 30 projects that are currently being worked on by leaders in this community, but also by the residents who embraced it, taking it to their churches, taking it to the schools.
Some of the greatest impacts that I'm seeing are the environmental changes, because historically this community has been plagued with a lot of blight. So what we have been able to do is utilize community members, frontline people, students and parents, and we are seeing the ripple effects.
It's just brought us all together, and it doesn't matter what area you're in, we all come together and we know who now at this time, which we didn't before. We've collaborated enough where we know if you have an alcohol problem, who handles those problems. We didn't have that before.
Bogalusa Strong has helped create awareness of behavioral and mental health services available here in Bogalusa. There have been several support groups created as a result of Bogalusa Strong, which also helps reduce the stigma of having a mental illness.
Bogalusa Strong has been an amazing support system that I didn't even know existed when we first started. In fact, I held a meeting trying to get people to say, hey, we should all come together and start collecting information about all the different services that are offered so we can get out to the community. I think that will help lift people up. And then someone said, have you heard of Bogalusa Strong? I went, oh no, and so I went to a meeting and oh, they're already doing this. This is fantastic.
Now everybody knows where to go for services.
Bogalusa Strong, the LSU AgCenter, Wellhead, Louisiana, Our Lady of Angels Hospital, and also the City of Bogalusa, with many other community partners, have come together to form a healthy community coalition to combat childhood obesity, physical inactivity, and other challenges that affect the community.
Our children are enjoying going to the park and getting to be more active, and they're learning ways that they can be healthier. They're taking this knowledge that we are able to generate from our hospital and from LSU Ag and all of these various community partners. They're able to bring that home and become chain breakers, not only in their own families, but in their communities, in their school.
Bogalusa Strong has been a true asset to our community. We are coming together as one, different organizations, local leaders, trying to make a difference. Well, we are making a difference in our community.
For Bogalusa Strong, one of our many projects that are ongoing is our Painted Playground Stencil project. For this project, we're going out in the community. We're painting playground stencils that are low cost and effective to encourage physical activity.
Through SNAP-Ed's direct nutrition education, we provide hands-on nutrition education that includes food demos and physical activity for our residents.
All those things are happening in conjunction together with the over 80 to 100 partners that are doing this absolutely every day.
Bogalusa Strong has made Bogalusa stronger, and it's increased the volunteerism as a whole overall, and the enthusiasm from the community volunteering all the way to the impact of our monthly meetings. We have 70 people, that's unheard of. But we have people involved enough and care enough about our city to come out and do more for us.
And so it's been a great outlet to get new ideas about how to approach our program and how to grow it, as well as just encouragement from other folks who are trying to do the same thing, that we're all have the same mindset of uplifting the community.
It's about unity. We stand for unity and making our community a better place.
And us coming together and becoming one has made us stronger.
Bogalusa Strong, creating a healthier community together where all people thrive.